Hello and welcome. You are learning Docker resource logging. Now, we are going to start really very interesting topic. Topic name is Centralized Logging Solution with EFK Stack. So, let's understand all this process and then we are going for the live lab of EFK Stack. So, let's start. First of all, as always, we are going to start with introduction. The EFK Stack is widely used open source log management solution composed of 3 tools. Look at the word that I'm using. It is widely used, right? So, it is not just for a Docker environment. It is also very useful for Kubernetes environment, right? Most of people actually adding this particular topic for Kubernetes courses, but I thought okay, let's add this right now because in upcoming days when you will learn Kubernetes, this will be familiar with you, right? So if we are talking about EFK, we have Elasticsearch, then we have Fluentd, and then we have Kibana. Actually, these 3 different tools are working together in the specifically EFK Stack. It provides comprehensive and scalable system for collecting, processing, storing, and visualizing log in a real time. Actually, these 3 tools are doing all this task. Now, which tool is doing which task? Definitely, we will discuss about it. This stack is particularly popular in a containerized and cloud environment such as Docker and Kubernetes for centralized logging and monitoring. And that's why we are learning this right now. We are doing lab of this. Why? Because it is really very popular. Maybe when you will go for the real world, you will get this particular tool. Now, I want you to understand task or use case of each and every tool of this particular stack. We are going to start with Fluentd. Introduction. Fluentd is a free and open source tool used to collect and manage logs from different sources, including Docker container and Docker Swarm services. It can capture log directly from running containers and Swarm services, helping to centralize and organize log from the distributed environment. 3 main tasks performed by Fluentd is log collection, processing and enrichment, and routing. Now what I am doing, I am going to explain you these 3 tasks properly so you will get complete understanding about tasks related to the Fluentd, right? Now let's start with this first, log collection. What it does? Fluentd collects the log from many sources such as Docker container, Docker Swarm services, system logs, apps, and cloud services. Forget about cloud services, but let me explain you the overall detail. In the log collection, what is actually happening? Let's say that I have Docker Swarm cluster, or maybe in future Kubernetes cluster. You have 2 manager node, you have 4 worker nodes, and there are many. Let's say that 40 containers are running. Now, first thing first is to collect the logs from each and every containers, each and every services, each and every Docker host you have, and store them on a centralized location. Now this task has been done by Fluentd. It is collecting log from each and every containers, Docker host, services, and storing it on a centralized location. Right? How it works? Fluentd use plugins to connect with the different sources and gather logs in the real time. In Docker environment, it can directly access container logs and capture logs from the Swarm services running on the different node. So let's say that you have distributed environment, you have multiple Docker hosts, and you have container running into the different hosts, but you are collecting all of logs from this using the Fluentd. Now, if I'm talking about Docker logs, it cannot, right? It can collect logs of a specific Docker container or service. Here, we are collecting all the logs from all the containers. So it is kind of centralized process. Why it is important? In the Docker Swarm setup, logs are spread across multiple containers and nodes. Fluentd centralized these logs, making them easier to manage and monitor from one place. Right? So this is first task done by Fluentd, which is log collection. Now second thing is processing and enrichment. Now this is also very important part. What it does? Fluentd process log to clean, format and add more detail, such as service name, container ID and environment information. You know, you are collecting logs from many containers. Now you have to add tags. You have to add details like, okay, this log is from container 1, this log is from container 2, this log is from container 3. So as a part of processing and enrichment process, it is kind of identification of log. Fluentd uses filter to modify log data. For Docker and Swarm logs, it can add useful information like container name, Swarm service name and task ID. This is done through the easy to configure plugins that transform the log data. Now you will get complete understanding about it when you will go for the practical, but yes, just understand the task from the different part of or different tools of stack. Why it is important? Adding context to log, especially in Docker Swarm, helps you to identify where the logs are coming from and makes it easier to troubleshoot problem quickly. So this is first, then the second task and the third task, which is routing. What it does? Fluentd send the processed log, collecting them, process them and then forward them. So Fluentd send processed log to a different destination such as Elasticsearch. We are going to discuss about Elasticsearch just after this. Or in many companies, they need to store all these logs into the Amazon S3. So you can use routing task of Fluentd and then you can store them into the Amazon S3, or you can also send them to another analytic tools. How it works? Fluentd uses output plugin to forward the logs to the various location. For Docker and Swarm log, it can route the logs based on their tags, like sending to critical service logs to an alerting system while storing other into the database. So you can set up multiple routing over there according to your logs requirement. Why it is important? Proper routing of logs help in strong monitoring and analyzing log data efficiently, allowing teams to manage their Docker and Swarm environment better and solve issue faster, because as soon as something is happening, you are getting alert, right? And no matter how many containers you have, you are getting alerts of all these containers. Note, the EFK stack after Fluentd collects, process and enrich the logs, it routes these logs to the Elasticsearch. Because here we are actually not talking about specific tool, we are talking about full stack. So here what will happen, once Fluentd will forward this, once it will collect this, enrich this, then it is going to forward to the Elasticsearch. Now we are going to discuss about what is responsibility of Elasticsearch. I hope you got complete understanding about Fluentd, right? Now let's talk about Elasticsearch. Introduction.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Power Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.